Hey, beauty lovers, it's Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial with a smoky eye today. So let's get started and let's have some fun this morning. So let's pull this hair back and see if we can get it out of our face. I've already done my morning skincare regimen and I'm not sharing it with you yet because it's a surprise. I'm testing out some new products that I'm going to share with you very soon. And so I want to do some before and afters. Can you see a difference in my face? Can you see it yet? So anyway, I'll share with you the details as soon as I can. Probably going to be like Tuesday-ish, and we'll share it. Actually, no, I can share it because I forgot. It's live. Okay, so I'm starting a new skincare regimen and I took some before and after so that you guys can watch the transformation. This is our new Knox Anew line. So it is a premier line with Korean skincare and AVON skincare combined. So I'm using the rejuvenating serum. I use the rejuvenating eye serum, BAM. And the Ultimate Day Cream, or Knox Ultimate Day Cream too. So we are doing all the good with a little bit of beautiful Korean skincare and AVON combo. Love it. So we've already done that. I've already primed this morning with my VDL Satin Primer. And we are going to hop in with some Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation. I am using N120 in my shade, and I'm going to use a powder brush and brush it on, and you guys can see the transformation. So it is our conference that we go to every year has been moved to virtual this year. I'm sure with a lot of companies that's probably true that your conferences have been moved to virtual, but we started last night and it's been fun so far. So we're having a good time. Okay, this side already has the powder on. This side doesn't. Can you see the difference? It's crazy the difference. So we are having a great time learning about some new stuff that's coming. I'm excited to share with you guys. Christmas is going to be launching tonight. We're going to see all the cool stuff that AVON has coming out for Christmas, and I know that you guys love AVON Christmas. It is always this hair, let me do something different. It is always my best selling season because the products are always so awesome, and then you add this new skincare in and it's going to be fabulous. Okay, do a little different kind of pullback here because this hair is getting on my nerves this morning. All right, here we go. We're good. We're going to use some Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha this morning for our concealer. Good morning, Amanda. Good morning, Connie. Hi, guys. What are you doing this beautiful day? Do you have big plans? So I'm excited. I've been searching out different eye looks because I'm always interested in learning something new. So I have found a new look we're going to try today. Not sure we can master it, but I think we can do it. I practiced on my hand. So if you are ever practicing with eyeshadow and you're like, I just need something different, practice on your hand. So I took my eyeliner and I drew out the shape of my eye, so I could kind of practice, and I think we can do it. Okay, so we are all concealed up. Let's move on and do our brows, and then we will hop right in to the eye look. So do you guys do a smoky eye? Do you do a more subdued eye? Share with me what type of eyeshadow looks that you normally do. I've got to get a mirror. I got a good mirror for you. Gotta have a mirror or we can't do this. I can do just about anything looking into my phone except for my brows. Because if I'm not looking at a mirror, I'm like drawing some crazy Joker brows going on. It's crazy. We don't want no Joker brows. And this is so easy. With this tattoo pencil, you basically just fill in those brows and kind of follow the line. And if you don't have brows, the cool thing about it is you can draw them in. So I'm just using the spindle brush and just kind of brushing it out. Not too smoky. Delivering stamping up orders and then chilling. Oh, I know it's going to be hot in Texas. That sounds like fun. Not too smoky, but smoky. Okay, got it. All right, we're going to use our Mono Pop palette in browns today. You can tell this is a well-loved palette. We're going to pick up just that lightest color here and do the base of our eye. I know that a lot of makeup artists say that you don't have to do this. I just find that I like to have like a base color down. It seems to make everything else work better. So it's just a light base color. Everybody's got their own way of doing things, right? Okay. Now we're going to take our crease brush, our blending brush, and we're going to pick up this color and this color. Okay, so this one and this one. And we're just going to start, we're going to go in a little bit today and work out that crease. Going in and working it out. So can y'all see what I'm doing there? Just giving it a little bit of a different shape than we normally do. It's pretty. It's pretty. Very, very pretty. I cannot sing. Y'all should tell me, Jennifer, quit singing. Okay, we're going to the other side here, doing the same thing. You can do one complete eye. I tend to like to do each step on my eyes and then blend them together. Okay. So we've got that crease area done. Can you see what we're doing here? Are you with me? Are you with me? I haven't lost you yet. Okay, we're going to pick up a little bit of gold in the middle because we are celebrating our conference this weekend, and I want to have a little extra gold, a little extra glimmer. So I'm just putting that on that base part and mixing it into the smoky. What do you think? Are you with me? I love this Mono Pop palette. This palette has the best long-lasting eyeshadow. The pigmentation in it is out of this world. Like, you cannot find pigmentation. And I've tried other brands. I've tried Pop Sugar. I've tried MAC. I've tried several other brands, and I've not found any that quite have the pigmentation that this has. Okay, so I'm gonna let you look at that. And now we're gonna go in with a little glimmer, because like I said, we're celebrating. So this would be a great look for like a date night or something like that. We're gonna use our Glimmer Shadow in Fool's Gold. So what I do is I'm just gonna take it and put it on my hand. I know you don't have to do your hand. You can put the one directly onto your eye. That's totally up to you. I just prefer it on my hand. It allows other layers to go on smoothly. Yes, most definitely, Connie. I agree 100%. Okay, I'm going to pick up a different brush here, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit from my hand, and we are going to glam it up. Y'all ready? I'm just patting it on. This is a cream shadow. The cool part about this shadow is it doesn't crease. So it's not going to be like other cream shadows that crease and, you know, by the end of the night you look like you've been in a horror film. It's not going to do that. Okay. So we're glammed. What do you think? It's like full Real Housewives glam. Full on. Like, we are there. So if you are looking for some Real Housewives of, in my town, Real Housewives of Bowie glam, this is your secret weapon. And we have some satin glimmer shadows coming out, and I'll start testing those with you guys, that don't have as much glitter in them. I'm a glitter girl. I like glitter, but the Satin cream shadows that are coming out do not have all the glimmer. What do you think? What do you think? Share with me in the comments. I'm interested. This is definitely like a date night look, or I don't know that I would do this every day, but it's definitely a good date night look. Okay, we're going to go in now with our SuperExtend liquid liner. Oh, good. Thanks, Connie. Okay, we're going to go in now with the SuperExtend liquid. I'm just bringing it out a little bit. I'm just adding a little kick because we're having fun. So we added a little kick on each side. Gonna go underneath. Okay, now we're not finished with those eyes yet. We got one more step. So we're going to take our palette again. I'm going to pick up that Monopop palette, and I've got kind of a blunt brush here, and I'm going to pick up those two shades that we worked into our crease, and we're going to work them underneath just a tad, and it's going to give us a little bit of a smoky effect all the way around. So if you're like, Jennifer, why do people add eyeshadow on the bottom? It's because it's going to give you a more three-dimensional appearance with your eyes. To me, it makes them look like they're coming together a little bit more. So this side made me look like I had a black eye. I think I went down too low. Went down too low. Okay, what do you think? This is way different than we normally do. That's okay. All right, let's put some mascara on and get a finished look on this and see what we think. Curl in those lashes. And the great thing about the Love Waterproof Mascara is the wand will really do the curling for you. I think for me, it's like a habit. I just have always curled my lashes, and I love to give it that extra kick up. So we go down and back up. And I'm using the curve of that wand to get in there in those roots and really lift. Root and lift. The other thing is this wand picks up so much that you don't even really have to re-dip on an eye. Okay, what are your thoughts? Be honest. Good morning, Jacqueline. We are glamming it up today for conference. Are you glamming? So I'm starting at the root and lifting all the way up. This Love Mascara has these lovely little heart-shaped fibers in it that just attaches to your lashes, and it almost gives you that flossy look without the glue and all the things. Girls, we are glammed. Like, we are ready for a party. Okay, we're gonna use the Blushed in Love. This is a highlighter and blush in one. It's still available on my website. The link is attached. So this is still available on my website. If you haven't picked this up yet, it's gonna be gone soon. It is an amazing little combo, easy to travel with, and it's fun. It's fun. Okay, so we did the blush. Now we're gonna pick up the highlighter. Ready? Just gonna go down the nose. Gonna go right up here on that top part of the cheek. Just giving it where the sun shines. Gonna put it right there in the middle of our forehead. Put a little down here on our chin. And the Cupid's bow. And we are fully glammed up. Okay, let's put some lipstick on. Let's see. Oh, I have a new lipstick. I forgot. Okay, so this is our new, it's gonna launch on Tuesday. It's the flat two-tone lipstick. This is shade Beige Effect. I want you to, I don't know if you guys can see this on the screen, so I'm gonna hold it up so maybe you can. It's 2 colors in one. Can y'all see that? So it's got 2 in 1. So I'm going to take it with a darker tip on the top. And turn it upside down for the bottom. Mix it in a little bit. You can even, so it's kind of like a lipstick and a liner in one. And when you're going this bold on your eyes, you definitely want to maybe go a little more subdued with your lips. So let me close my eyes and give you the full look. Are y'all ready? What do you think? Is it a date night look you could pull off? So we have got the smoky eye. We did it. Yay! We accomplished. Okay, guys, I've got to get this hair done and get ready to get on my bed and conference. So I hope that you'll have a fabulous day. Do something fun that you enjoy today, and love life and love your family, and I will see you all soon. There is a post on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, my Facebook page, where you can share it and win a prize. So you guys go share that post so that I can give out that prize today. All right, guys, I will see you all later. Bye.